Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the HOVERFLY OUREA 26-inch electric bike for adults. This is a 750-watt fat tire mountain e-bike designed for both commuting and adventure. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price. The electric bike market has become crowded, but very few models manage to balance power, safety, comfort, and affordability. The HOVERFLY OUREA stands out with its UL 2849 safety certification, a 750-watt motor, a removable battery, and fat tires that can handle different terrains. This bike is aimed at adults who want a reliable commuter during the week and a rugged trail companion on the weekend. In terms of performance, the 750-watt brushless motor provides enough torque for climbing hills and moving through mixed terrain. The top speed is capped at 20 miles per hour, which makes it quick enough for daily commutes but still safe for beginners. The removable lithium battery is another highlight. You can charge it indoors or swap it with a spare, and on a single charge it can give you up to 40 miles of range depending on your riding style and the terrain. The 26-inch fat tires paired with shock absorption ensure stability and comfort even on rough surfaces. Comfort and safety are where the OUREA really shines. The UL 2849 certification is an important factor because it guarantees compliance with strict electrical safety standards. This is reassuring for anyone concerned about battery safety. The bike also features a Shimano 7-speed gear system for smooth shifting, disc brakes for responsive stopping power, and an overall sturdy mountain bike frame designed for durability. Pros: the 750-watt motor is powerful enough for city streets and trails. UL 2849 certification ensures electrical safety. The battery delivers up to 40 miles per charge. Shimano 7-speed gears give flexibility on different terrains. Fat tires and shock absorbers make for a smoother ride. The removable battery is convenient for charging and security. Cons: the top speed is limited to 20 miles per hour. It is heavier compared to slim commuter e-bikes. Some assembly is required out of the box. Overall, the HOVERFLY OUREA 26-inch electric bike is a solid choice if you are looking for a safe, comfortable, and reliable e-bike that works both for commuting and weekend adventures. With a good balance of performance, safety certification, and convenience, it delivers excellent value for the price. That wraps up today's review. If you are interested in getting the HOVERFLY OUREA, make sure to check the link below to grab it today at the best discounted price.